add 6 up here and 6 over here. Here's my 0 pairs. Those go away. 0 pairs go away. And then 6.
It's the same.
It's the same thing. This is the same as that.
Yeah.
How did you move the 2y?
I added
Okay.
2 to each side.
Okay.
I guess we talked about the inverse. I don't want them to.
So they can either divide by their negative, but they can also just switch them to the other side to make them positive.
I get what you're saying, but
Yeah. That's the easiest way to show that on the mat if you have both negatives. Is that they're actually taking those negatives and making them positive by moving them to the other side.
We do this, and now
So now they're here.
I come over to teach it as a lesson. So how do I make this connection? Like remove this into this solving this equation.
Well, I'm doing it right here. I did each step as I did it on the mat. So my first thing was to add in my 2 y's to both sides. Those made a 0 pair.
negative 6.
Okay, we'll do it here. I don't teach.
And then I have to
Negative 2y
Okay. Yes.
equals negative 6, right? Okay?
And then we each
Sorry.
Added 2y
on both
to
sides.
both sides. So here's that first step. Here it is
Now
on the
I'm gonna
grade.
put
This
the
goes
number
away right here.
For the outside of the print.
Right?
That makes 0, so they have to add that 0 as their placeholder because everything else is over there. And what do we have over
One
there?
thing I'm getting, so I can't just move
Now I'm gonna put
this.
the
No,
inside.
Why
you
not?
have-
Why
because you
not?
have to add a 0 pair. You just changed.
So for
your
me
value
to,
Because whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the
so for
other.
me to go from here to here, it has to be a 0 pair, or from here. I can't go from here to
No, you
here.
cannot go from there
I
to
can't-
there.
I
Otherwise,
can't
you're
just
unbalancing your
move
equation.
things like that.
No.
Okay.
Because the purpose is to make those 0 pairs to
Okay,
see
so
them.
it's only 0 pair that we can use to balance.
Yes, we have to add those 0 pairs, but the zeros don't change the value of our equation.
Okay.
But it allows us to manipulate the equation.
So if I want to move this thing, I
And when they
can't
have the
just
little
move down, I have to bring
Yes,
it
it's much with glitter.
this.
Right, well, we have to put, yes,
And we
they
would count
started
what was
here.
left. And
I would have to put 2 here, but I have to add 2 there
So
to make them go away from this side.
And then
So now you got,
So now, I don't want to move those because they're already positive.
Yes.
I need to get these by themselves.
Yes.
So I need to get rid of those.
so you're gonna add,
So why is it simpler to get this back over here instead of getting this one over here?
Because if this is positive here, what's it going to end up as over here?
no,
It's going to be negative.
Ah,
Our goal is to get rid of the negative and make it a positive.
okay.
Never get to visit every person.
You know, even though my y actually ends up in my right hand side.
Correct.
We can still solve it.
Right, and I think it's good for kids to see that too. These don't always have to end up on this side of the equation.
Yeah, we had that.
Because sometimes they will end up over there. And they need to understand, but that's okay.
Okay, so the right thing to do now is move this one.
Well, we need to move them out of here.
so you wanna put them
So
up
put them
here.
on
So
top
we
on
want
the
to put
plus
them up
side.
top, right? But if I put 6 there, I gotta keep my equation balanced.
You gotta put 6
And I've
over
gotta
there.
put 6 in the same spot over here.
So then these
Now
go
those are
away.
your 0 pairs. Yes, so now I'm back to here. Okay, but my goal is still to figure out what one of these are. So I have 2. So I'm going to split these into 1 and 1.
But you know, because once, if you show them this.
So I have 6 over there. I need to split those 6 into 2 groups. So I'm taking those 6 and I'm dividing them into 2 groups. How many are in one group? 3. So it's not like these go away. They're still there. You can just cover them up because all I need to know is how many's in one. How much does 1y equal? 1y equals 3. 2y equals 6.
What would you do if y equal, or if you said 7 equals 2y?
Ah, so if we had 7 equals 2y, then it would look like this, and I'd have my 1 left over. Because I would split. There's 1 group, 2 groups. 1 group, 2 groups. 1 group, 2 groups. Okay, I have this 1 left over. can't visually show it, but how much of this is going to be in each one of these groups? A half. So they're gonna have 3.5 in each group. So you can still show it with fractional or decimal values, it's just they won't physically be able to break those apart, cut them in half. But they will have half of this block here and half of this block there to make 2 equal groups.
There's a company for them.
To not have to divide by a negative.